Okay, on this lesson I want to teach you how to edit a formula. There's a few ways, but this is the one that's most commonly used. Let's say that if you came over here and you calculated the commission, and what you did was you multiplied H3 times this, and you put the answer there. Then you came over here and you thought you were going to use the handler, and you used it and you said, wait a minute, it didn't work out right. Then you remembered. You said, oh yes, I remember now, I have to use the absolute reference. So what you do is you come back in here and you go back and you want to edit the formula that's in here. That formula is here. This is what's called the formula bar. So what you do is you actually click in there because you want H3 to be an absolute reference. Now I know the other lesson teaches you how to use an absolute reference. This I want to make sure that you understand. Anytime you want to edit in a formula, anywheres that it is on your worksheet, you click back up into the formula bar. And you remember, all you have to do is press F4 and it creates an absolute reference. You hit enter. Yes, it looks like the same answer, but you know. So that's how you come in here and you click in the formula bar to find out where you made your mistake. You click in the formula bar.